The Y refer to what? The W. The W. So let's clear this and write them again. So we have rect. I'm going to change them. So X and Y. Let's say W and H. Okay. So we said X and Y for the position of the rectangle. Okay. Now W refer to what? It refers to the width of the rectangle. Okay. يعني how wide I want it. يعني we're talking like this. Okay. The H will be, it will refer to what? To the height of the rectangle. Okay. يعني we're talking like this now. Height. Okay. So if I'm saying rect, so let's say, let's remove all of these. So if I'm saying rect 0, 0, 100, 100, what does it mean? 100, 100. What does it mean?
Okay, we are supposed to do.
Come again, Adam.
يعني أستاذ هكلس إن إحنا نعمل.
This is what you need to practice. We'll see later on how that we were going to draw different shapes now in different way. But what do we mean by this? So what the 0, 0 are for?
The height and the width.
No, 0, 0 are the position. يعني نحن we will start drawing the rectangle from the top left. ماشي? Okay, guys?
Okay.
And 100, 100, what does it mean? What they mean? So let's say 100, 150 here. 100 refers to what? Yalla, guys. What does it refer to, the 100? في حدا عم يكتب على الشات؟ فيش حدا، مبين غفلانين. شو القصة؟ Wake up everyone. ما حطيت لكم arrow عليها.
The height and width.
The 100 is for the width. The 150 is for the height. Okay, so this is will be more likely like this. Okay. You see? Now we can control the size of the rectangle. مش بس إنه the position. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
ماشي. Now there is something else. Focus on this rectangle that we drew. On the edges we have a thick line. صح ولا لا?
Yes.
So if we want to remove the thick line, what do we do? We simply put the non-stroke. Okay, so we have function called non-stroke. Let's run the program. Now if we run the program, as you can see, we don't have the thick line anymore. Okay. So the no-stroke function remove the thick line or thick edges, we call them. Okay. or the edges if you want. عادي. ماشي تمام. Can I put it after the rectangle? What will happen if
No,
I
no,
put
no,
it
no,
after?
no, 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 no.
شو عم بصير معكم؟ If I put it after the rectangle, it will not do anything because I drew the rectangle first, then I asked it to remove the edges, which will not make any sense. ماشي? So in order to make it work, I need to put the non-stroke at the beginning, then I draw whatever I need. ماشي? Now if I put the grid, you will see the rectangle here. Okay, guys? So far, so good. I need a sign from you. I cannot move on without saying yes or no. Your quiz this week will be about these.
باي.
مين هيدا؟
أستاذ هذا ما بعرف حدا اسمه يا ماما.
يا ماما.
اوكي
استاذ مينها.
ما بعرف، بس ما بعرف كيف فات كمان، ما عملتلوش انا شو اسمه. هذا حدا منكم على فكرة، او حدا فات باسمكم رجع غير اسمه بس فات. Anyway, all good so far?
Yes.
Are you sure, guys?
Yes.
Okay.
Sisters, after the live session, should we do some of the exercises or no? And go
Yeah, you
back?
should. You should. It's better لأنه you will have better understanding about them. So you will be more fine, better in the quiz. You will do much better in the quiz. ماشي? Now let's go for the ellipse now. ماشي? So in the ellipse, we used to have ellipse X and Y also, which, for example, ellipse, let's say 200,
If
200.
we do the exercises, we'll get marks on them. Is the
Yeah,
last
yeah,
mark?
I already said this on at the beginning. No, there will be grades on code.org and also for the quizzes. ماشي? So everything is counted. Now let's see. We used to do ellipse like this. This used to be used to draw what? Circles. Okay? Okay, guys? So if I do this, let me show text. So we used to do this, صح ولا لا? So this is drawing a circle in the middle. ماشي? Now again, I have a new parameter for it, which is ellipse X, Y, W, and H. So what do we mean by W of and H here? Yella, I'm not going to answer. You have to answer it. Guys, so I'm going to pick someone. Okay, let's go with Zainab Asi. Not here. Zainab Bustani. Can you hear me, guys, or no?
Yes.
Okay, so Noura Rasas. Let's take attendance from 0. I need to write again everything. So ellipse So we have X, Y, W, and H. Okay. So I'm asking you what, so X and Y are for the position. Okay. Heidi, it's fixed for are for the position. ماشي. Now W and H are for what? Who wants to give it a try? طب اللي بيجرب I'm going to give him or her full grade on quiz 2 without doing the quiz.
Width and the height.
برافو يا لامار. لامار انت ما بتعمل الكويز هيدا الويك. ماشي خلص تاخدي 10 over 10. هينا هحطها من هلا. اوكي نوت here. لامار from G7A 10 over 10 on quiz 2. ماشي. ما قلناها same as before as rectangle. ما ان كتبت y and h لحتى ما تضيعوا. So w is for the width. For the width. And finally h for the height. Okay. Good. Now what will happen?
Yes.
What will happen if I put, for example, ellipse? Let's stay on the same position and let's say 100, 100 or 100. Oops, 150. What do you think will happen here? مين بده يجرب؟ So first the position will be from the center here, okay? Okay, guys. So we gave W 100 and we gave H 50, which means we will have a 100 of width and 50 of height. Okay? So this is not going to look circle as it will not look like a circle anymore. It will look like this. This is what we call an ellipse. ماشي? Now if I increase the width, it will look also more stretched. ماشي?
Okay.
Okay, now if I want to draw this shape here, who can help me doing this shape? So I have two circles here. First circle is yellow. How can I draw this shape? So 200, 200 will remain 200, 200. I need to change W and H. How much I need to put W, how much I need to put H? يلا مين بده give me? Who wants to try it? ميا تجربي؟
I'm not sure if I know it.
It's fine, let's try it together. ماشي؟
Okay.
أول شيء الأليبس كيف مبين؟ طلوع ولا نزول؟ اليلو 1 طلوع، فاذا ال W لازم تكون اصغر من ال H. Okay? So for example we put here the W is 100. ماشي؟ and we try to put the H 200 او ال H 200. Okay? او let's do it 300. Okay, now let's run it to see. You see, now it makes more sense. خلينا let's increase this to 200. Okay. Let's put fill yellow. Now we have almost the same as this. Okay. Now I need to put another ellipse inside it in green color. What do I need to do?
Fill color.
Fill colors. I choose the green color first. Now I put ellipse. It should start also at 200 200. What the W and H should be. يعني لازم يكونوا أصغر من 200 300. وهيدي نايمة مش يعني الويدث لازم تكون أكبر من الهايت. Okay, so let's say here 150 for 100. Okay, so let's try it. You see now we have almost same. So this, I think this is orange. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Is it hard?
No.
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 Easy.
عشان هيك ما كان حدا عم بيرد ها. No, and this is why I want you guys to go on code.org and try them out by yourselves. ماشي؟
Okay. Okay, so أنا اليوم راح أعمله.
طيب بعد في one more function that I need you guys to know. We have something called background. Background إنه إذا بنفكر فيها from the name, what does it mean?
Yeah, the
Background.
color behind the shapes.
Exactly. So the whole screen. This background goes for the whole screen. Okay. يعني if I put background and I choose, for example, blue, the whole screen will be blue. ماشي. This is something we need to think about it and take it into consideration. ماشي. يعني anywhere I put the background, let's say I had different rectangle before it. So 100 0 0. And I put the background below. كمان it will also give me a background blue. But what happened? Where are the two rectangles that I drew before? مين بيقول لي وينهم؟
behind it.
Behind it, exactly. So I need to be careful how to use it. ماشي؟ يعني if I put background blue at the beginning, now I will see the two squares on the front of it. Okay, so if I want to use the background, I need to use it at the beginning of the code always. Okay? Please say yes.
أستاذ هو بدنا نعملهم.
هو بدكم تتمرنوا عليهم على code.org because again the quiz will be similar questions. Okay?
أستاذ بس هني حاطين لنا شو بدنا نعمل فيه ولا نحن
هن عم بيقولوا لكم فوت مثلا جرب اعمل run للكود وهيك يعني you read the instruction first and then try to implement what is telling you. Okay?
يعني أستاذ مش ضروري أعمل لك شيء معين يعني.
No, just practice. Okay?
أستاذ يعني we have to put for you the background blue or we can put
You can choose any color. It's fine.
okay أستاذ.
ماشي بس you need to know how to use it. يعني مش تحطها
Yeah.
بالاخير. You need to know that you need. ليه طلعت؟ Okay, so let's say here red. Now I have a red background. Okay. Now if I put one rectangle before it and one after it, how many rectangle I will see?
One.
One only. Okay. The other one will be behind it. يعني عشان هيك ما عم بقدر شوفه. ماشي. Now, if I want to do this shape, who wants to do this shape? Who wants to try? يلا. ساعدكم أنا.
Ustaz, now I could hear you. Can you repeat the question?
We want to do this shape. Let's do it. Who wants to do it?
I will try.
Yalla Adnan. What do I need to put first?
We need to put first the green color, and then we put an ellipse.
Green color and ellipse. So do you think, guys, this is right? The right way to do it? شو بتقولوا? Is it the right way to do it? So is this like this?
Ustaz, but and the background should be black.
Where do I need to put it?
Before everything, before the green.
100%. ماشي. So this is black. Now I have it the same. ماشي. You see, it's
ماشي.
very simple, but just need to know
Yes.
exactly what you need to do with them. Okay?
Yes.
اوكي خلينا نقيمه كلهم. طب who wants to draw this game or this shape?
Ustaz, can I try?
لا حدا غير عدنان.
Ustaz, I want to try.
يلا لمر. So first we need هون there are notes. إنه first drawing the sky. Okay, so how do we draw the sky here like
We
this?
put the background, we put it blue or light blue.
Okay, let's say background sky blue. Let's try this. Okay, sky. Okay, the background is now all of it blue. Okay, so now I need to draw the sun.
The sun,
How do I do it? What's the color of the sun?
yellow.
So
We
first I put
the
fill.
fill color yellow.
Okay, exactly. Now I need, what is the shape of the sun?
Ellipse, the circle.
Ellipse, exactly. Okay, so I need to choose the position of it.
We put
Here it is more likely to be in at this position. So here, so it is almost 300, 100. Okay. So 300. Okay. So you see, I marked the show grid and I put here, for example, now I know exactly the dimension, or almost the dimension, and let's make it small. So 50 by 60.
Is it not 5,300?
No,
How
it's
about
here.
the corner?
So look
Oh.
here. So you see, you have 300 something and 100. Okay. Now finally, I need to draw the grass. So what is the color of the grass?
It's green.
It's a green. So I put fill green. So it starts from here. Okay. So the position of the grass will be 0, 300. Okay.
Okay.
0, 300. How much the width?
The width 400.
400. The height, how much?
The height
So think of it.
100.
Exactly. Can you tell us why 100? So you started from here. How much do you need to reach here?
Because each 100 and like each box, every side is 50.
Yes, exactly. So this is it. 100. Now let's run it and let's move the grid. So it's perfect like this. Okay, you can move the sun if you want up to here and you will have it on the top. Okay, so it's up to you to choose the position of the sun. Okay, so is it hard?
No.
No.
So this is basic